Welcome to the Auto Update. The emergence of a new Russian aircraft carrier has shocked NATO military planners and analysts worldwide. This warship, developed in deep secrecy, marks a bold return of Russian naval power on a global scale. More than just a ship, it represents a symbol of strategic resurgence, showcasing Russia's ability to project power far beyond its borders. For years, Russia was seen as lacking true blue water carrier capability. That perception changed overnight when satellite images revealed a massive Russian supercarrier operating during classified Arctic drills. NATO intelligence failed to anticipate the scale, readiness, and sophistication of the vessel. Western military circles were caught off guard. The carrier, informally dubbed Project Storm, is reported to displace over 90,000 tons and rival the U.S. Navy's Gerald R. Ford class in size. It can carry up to 90 aircraft, including Su-57 naval variants, advanced drones, early warning planes, and maritime helicopters. Its hybrid electromagnetic catapult launch system allows for rapid and efficient deployment of all air assets. Powering the vessel is a next-generation nuclear propulsion system, granting it unlimited operational range and endurance of more than 120 days without resupply. This makes the ship capable of sustained global presence, particularly in contested regions like the Arctic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. The ship is protected by a multilayered air defense system, including Redut, Pantsir-M, and short-range CIWS cannons. Combined with stealth technology and radar-absorbing hull design, the vessel is nearly invisible to enemy reconnaissance. NATO warships reportedly failed to track its full movements during initial patrols. With a crew of over 4,000, including pilots, radar operators, electronic warfare specialists, and Marines, the carrier functions as a floating city of war. The entire combat system is integrated through an AI-based command platform that can autonomously assess threats, recommend strike options, and coordinate defense across all onboard units. What makes this development even more unsettling is the stealth surrounding the program. For years, Western analysts believed Russia lacked the funds and industrial base to build a modern carrier. Yet here it is operational, armed, and already influencing maritime strategy around the globe. The ship serves a dual role. It deters conflict through overwhelming presence and offers Russia a direct means to challenge NATO's dominance at sea. Whether in the Mediterranean, Arctic, or Pacific, it signals that Russia is back in the game on its own terms. This carrier didn't just stun NATO with its existence, it redefined the global balance of naval power. For Russia, it marks a return to maritime greatness. For NATO, it's a wake-up call. The age of uncontested naval dominance is over, and the new game is just beginning.